Here we are at the Walsh Street tram stop at the north of Fawkner Park by Turek Road West at the entrance. We're taking the right path there and we're looking towards a proposed works area for the court and paving, which you can see clearly from Turek Road and the tram stop. And now we're walking down that path and we'll keep looking at the spot because you can see it all along this treed heritage avenue. So right in front of you, yes. Even on a dull overcast day, it is magnificent and beautiful. And it's the open green grass lawns and nature that gives us that fabulous cultural heritage landscape that is so enjoyable. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, can we continue? Stop and continue?